Okay, we can also stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this 2016 Range Rover Vogue. So from any screen, first of all, if we go into music here, you'll see at the bottom Range Rover. Now if I click on that, there's a tick next to Range Rover and you've got iPhone. That means that anything that's any audio that plays through your iPhone will come through the audio system in the Range Rover. I've got it turned down because the copyright system at the moment on YouTube is getting harder and harder. So I'll not play any music, otherwise sometimes the whole soundtrack gets struck off. So over here you've got the music symbol there, or you've got the home symbol there, and you can go into we'll just get it off the TV, and then that's back to the menu. You've got Source Plus there and My Music. At first it's not immediately obvious, but if you click on My Music, that's come to auxiliary, but there's a plus at the end, so you click plus, and then you've got the choice of all these: Barry's iPhone, iPod, DVD, stored, and so on. I'll just click that quick before it goes off, and that's it. It's showing there Elvis Presley, Marie's the name, and Elvis Presley. So if I turn that up, that's what would be playing through this system.